Rtelligent RM Series PLC, high-performance bus control, flexible and efficient. The RM Series PLC is a high-performance bus PLC that integrates logic control and motion control, specifically designed for complex automation applications, supporting 256 bus control and programmed with codices. It offers rich function blocks to enhance development efficiency. Equipped with RS-485, Ethernet, EtherCAT, and CANopen interface, the RM series enables fast networking and remote control. The PLC itself features 16DI, 16DO, and supports expansion of up to 8 Rtelligent I modules, providing a total of 256 I/O points, making it easily adaptable to various industry applications.